Sat in the Comfort Cafe. I just had the wickedest breakfast ever. I just had a croissant and it was massive. Currently having a glass of water and coffee. We've got an hour and a half to wait until the bus to go to the Melissani cave. We're doing like a tour. Booked it on TripAdvisor yesterday. It was about €50. Should be good. I'm very excited. And this is my first excursion as well since being on this trip. So because it is early, I was thinking we'll walk over to the harbour bit and we'll look to see if we can find any turtles. Usually there's like, I just missed that. I just start talking and then it pops its head up just literally behind me. Can't believe I just missed that. But anyways, we're going to try look for some turtles because we've got like an hour and a half to kill. And I don't really think I want to go back to the hotel. Really, they're all along this kind of bit. They're not quite close to the boats where all the fishermen are. I don't know if they're handing them food or something. They're usually quite close around these things. I don't know. So there's loads of people here, like before. Yesterday, when I came, there was not that many people here. There's only 2 or 3 turtles that I kind of kept seeing. There's not been that many, but if you can see, like, everybody stood down there just, like, waiting for a turtle to pop their head up. And then as soon as they see a turtle, they start cheering. It is really, really busy, and it's kind of hard to get, like, a good shot when you do see a turtle. Because, like, everybody just comes from running from nowhere. I think we're going to go back to the hotel now and kind of, like, chill out, the aircon on because I'm super duper hot. So I've just come back, got changed because it was so hot. I could not even, it is so hot. But cute little fan that I bought. It says, look at this cute little fan that I got. So that is coming with me along the journey because I am so hot and it is so hot out there. It's probably about 27. It is boiling. I literally walked out there and I already felt like I had sweat dripping down my back. So like it is not okay out there. I believe it's about a 45-minute drive from here to the other destination. And then I believe there's like a 10-minute stopover as well. The hotel is literally just out.
The driver is Georgi. We are going to show you today the 2 biggest caves. We have 2 excursions occupied by the Venetians for about 4. About 800 people died. 90% of the whole island were totally destroyed. Only in the very north of this island we still have the original village and the original character of this island. Nowadays the building restrictions are so high that all the buildings they have
It's got to be one of the coolest fucking caves I've ever been in, but you're not allowed to touch any of the backfoot's on the wall. Something just stripped to my hands. It's so cool. It is dead slippy when you get down here. Loads of steps, and obviously like everybody has been so careful walking around. So amazing. So this is where we came up from, and then there's just basically a spiral of steps. So as you climb down, you get to this bit, but it is just super duper slippy. Like, it's crazy. That was the first cave. That was definitely not long enough. She said 15 minutes to go and explore that cave, and to be back at like, sorry my camera won't focus, and to be back at past. Not long enough to go and see that cave. Like I was literally running around, like looking at all the crystals and stuff like that, but it was just not a long enough time to admire the beauty of it. Yeah. Hopefully a longer amount of time to look at the other one because the other one was beautiful.
Right hand side behind the sea.